नूनं विमुष्टमतयस्तव मायया ते ये त्वां भवाप्ययविमोक्षणमन्यहेतोः अर्चन्ति कल्पकतरुं कुणपोपभोग्यम् इच्छन्ति यत्स्पर्शजन्निरयेऽपि नृणाम्। Noonam vimushtamatayah is a compound word. Noonam ends in an anuswara and vimushtamatayah begins with va. So the anuswara changes to the nasal of the va. Noonam vimushtamatayah because of sandhi. Visarga changes to sudhe. Tava. Vimushtamatayas tava because of sandhi. Mayaya te. Ye tvam bhava apyaya vimokshanam. Bhavapyaya vimokshanam is a compound word. Bha is mahapranah. Anya hetoho is a compound word. Bhavapyaya vimokshanam anya hetoho. Archanti kalpakatarum is a compound word. Kunapa upabhogyam. Kunapopabhogyam is a compound word. Bha is mahapranah. Now kalpakatarum ends in an anuswara and the next word begins with ka. Kunapopabhogyam. So the anuswara changes to the nasal of the ka varga, which is nga. So kalpakatarum kunapopabhogyam because of sandhi. Icchanti chas mahapranah. Yat sparshajam. Yat sparshajam. Sparshajam is a compound word. Niraye. The sparshajam ends in an anuswara. The next word starts with na. Niraye. So the anuswara changes to n. So sparshajan niraye because of sandhi. Api nirayepi because of sandhi. Nrunam. Noonam vimushtamatayastava mayayate ye tvam bhavapyaya vimokshanamanyahetoho archanti kalpakatarum kunapopabhogyam icchanti yatsparshajannirayepi nrunam. Ya nirvritistanubhritam tava padapadmadhyanad bhavajjanakathashravanena va syat sa brahmani swamahimanyapi nath ma bhut kintvantakasi lulitat patatam vimanat. Ya nirvritihi, visarga changes to su there. Tanubhritam is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Nirvritis tanubhritam because of sandhi. Tava. Now tanubhritam ends in an anuswara and tava begins with the tavarga, a letter of the tavarga. So the anuswara changes to n, which is the anunasika or the nasal of the tavarga. So it becomes tanubhritam tava pada padma dhyanat. Altogether is a compound word. Dhas mahapranaha. T changes to d because of sandhi. Bhavat bhamaha pranaha. T changes to j because of sandhi. Jana bhavajjana katha thamaha pranaha. Shravanena bhavajjana katha shravanena is a compound word. Va syat sa brahmani swamahimani. Swamahimani is a compound word. Api swamahimanyapi because of sandhi. Natha thamaha pranaha. Ma bhut bhamaha pranaha. Kim tu. Now kim ends in anuswara and tu belongs to the tavarga, so it becomes kintu. The anuswara changes to n, which is the nasal or the anunasika of the tavarga. Antaka asilulitat. Antakasi lulitat is a compound word. So tvantakasi lulitat because of sandhi. Patatam vimanat. Ya nirvritistanubhritam tava padapadmadhyanad bhavajjanakathashravanena vasyat sa brahmani swamahimanyapi nathamabhut kintvantakasi lulitat patatam vimanat. Bhaktim muhuf pravahatam tvayi me प्रसङ्गः भूयादनन्त महताममलाशयानां येनाञ्जसोल्बणमुरुव्यसनं भवाब्धिं नेष्ये भवद्गुणकथामृतपानमत्तः। भक्तिं मुहुः विसर्ग changes to upadhmaniya pravahatam muhuh pravahatam because of sandhi twayi. Now pravahatam ends in anuswara and twayi starts with t, so the anuswara changes to n, which is the nasal or anunasika of the tavarga. So pravahatam twayi because of sandhi. Me prasangah bhuyat bhas mahapranah, t changes to d because of sandhi. Ananta is a compound word. Bhuyadananta because of sandhi. Mahatam amala ashayanam. Amala ashayanam is a compound word. Mahatam amala ashayanam. Yena anjasa. Yena anjasa because of sandhi. Ulbanam. Anjasolbanam because of sandhi. Yenanjasolbanam. Uru vyasanam is a compound word. So, yenanjasolbanam uru vyasanam. Bhava abdhim. Bhavabdhim is a compound word. Bha and dha are mahapranaha. Neshye bhavat bha mahapranaha. The t changes to d because of sandhi. Guna katha tha mahapranaha. Amrita kathamrita pana mattaha. Bhavadguna kathamrita pana mattaha is a compound word. Bhaktim muhuh pravahatan twayi me prasangaha bhuyadanantamahatamamalashayanam yenanjasolbanamuruvyasanam bhavabdhim नेष्ये भवद्गुणकथामृतपानमत्तः।